Yes, so welcome and welcome, friend, y'all. This video is a small, quick video of this new camera that I have, which is this one right here. We are going to be doing some photography classes with it.
Oh, ain't no town like your hometown, Philly. It goes down in your hometown, Philly. Ain't no town like your hometown, Philly. It goes down in your hometown. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ain't no town like your hometown, Philly. It goes down in your hometown, Philly. Ain't no town like your hometown, Philly. It goes down in your hometown.
Market House Productions.
Ain't no town like your hometown, Philly. It goes down in your hometown, Philly. Ain't no town like your hometown, Philly. It goes down in your hometown. Ooh, yeah.
Congruent, not to be facetious, being congruent like the same. We are to be the catalyst, the solution, a substance, an action, idea that influences beings to change. Is it now insane to, decode or explain warlocks and magic versus miracles and books, TVs, and video games? Winning and losing is our choices. Our choices is what makes us witches. Witches. The yin yang in us, the carbon inside us, the DNA, the Fibonacci sequence, and every chromosome in so-and-so, the infinity sign, and all the sigils, the symbols, the prism, the triangle, using the eye to capture light, information, the matrix, astrology, cancers, diseases, cancers, rappers, 6ix9ine, to give and receive simultaneously. That's simultaneously at the same time. Whole time, that should be all our intentions. I say Ashe, I say Ashe, and you say Ashe. And then I mention how our thoughts come from the ancestors we ascend every time we assess them. And that's an assist. And we pay for this. When we pray for we pay attention to mine the crystals. The goal is to mine the gold inside. That's our business. We pay for this. I see it like this. We exist as an expense. True currency, true change is common sense. I realize that I haven't listened to 444 rappers like common, uncommon sense. Meek brought Maybach.
Yes, I forgot that I have to make
So
it.
listen, I see it like this. We exist
I gotta
as an
focus on
expense.
myself.
True
But yeah, you
currency,
good.
true change is common sense. I realize that I haven't listened for rappers uncommon sense. Meek brought Tupac back. It's all gang gang. We don't protest, we protect like bang bang. Free the men with an AR.
Hello. We making some rice bowls over.
And Co. B. No beef, no kale, no okra. I want snacks. I'm no vegan, but I can spot a rat when I can spot a rat when I see one. Straight like that. Okay, so no Kobe, no beef, no kale, no okra. I want snacks. I'm not a vegan, but I can spot a plant when I see one. Oh yes, we are STR like that. Silly rabbit going down that hole is another trap, CC. Ever since they've been putting fluoride in the water, the teachers said that the sons and daughters wasn't brushing their teeth. It really was the programming from Disney in our vision. Are you following me? We have been on a trip, a ride along. You feel me? By the time we realize that the world is small, after all, we's already tricked to believe that the king and the queen can conceive a princess. Wait a minute. The root word prince. The root word prince. Some may say, what are you doing? Make sure that you're in that right union before you get screwed in.
This is an automatic. Okay, automatic.
We on a conquest, going through drastic measures, trying to find the lost treasure, but the real wind is inside us. Our first brain, that unique object that keeps the blood flowing inside us, in our bodies, in our chests. I said this. I said that in my chest is a map that is right and exact for what the veins look like inside of our flesh, the royal flesh. We was dealt the king of hearts, but the real heart favors an X. That's a reach. Like and subscribe to the speech. I was in the bleacher seats and I met a world peace. Never rhyme on or test, capiche? Stand your ground or take several receipts. My advice when people come complaining about their life and I don't want to add fuel to the fire and ask them why, I just tell them whatever you expect is going to happen will happen. Try it. I tell people be it, do it, because if you don't try and you fail, that is not a fail actually. That's a what a you'll get. It's like a low-key punch to the gut. The only member in the fight club ucking yourselves up cells. See, I'd rather meditate, jump rope, drink water. For real though, I'd rather punch a body bag than yelling in a pillow. That's a more mature version of it. You know, you can do things like that. The route to success is headed left. Okay, I got this. Hold on. It says The route to success is left, headed right back forward. Because in this dimension, directions come in all fours. So nowhere is foreign and everything is not for us. There should be nothing you want as a grown-up. Use what you have and whoever shows up. Don't cry over spilled milk. You better put some soap and water on that ish. Say, preach. Say when pouring respect on my name. They better put some swag on my drip. Because I never let a near-nada make me... I never let a near-nada know what make me sad, angry, or sick. Because they could use that against you. Shout out to Will Smith. Well, no. They used to call it dizzy, now that's whack. We run the street like Ant. We in the mix like Lean, we in the mix, you know what I mean? So don't sweat, inhale, exhale, unwind. Like a cool day in the summertime. The summertime. As you can see, the Men in Black and the MIB2 is probably 3, at least they added some women. But they want us blind on a pursuit to be happy. When living check to check is not wise. Chasing wealth, ducking debt. Just being tired and rest until you retire and you relax. When you can get that day of independence to be a living legend, separating your cells from your pounds, leaving your wild, wild western philosophies and feelings with a PH in a whole another town, on the ground, in the earth, to stay fresh and preserved. When you ditch your body, you ditch the curve, taking off like a rocket. Boom! You get what you deserve. Pretty much what I really said was, when you ditch your body like an alcoholic rocket, you ditch the curve. You got that gun in your hand, cock it, boom. You get what you deserve. Then I say, the Big Bang is what your parents did to have you get to the A. Word. Back to you. You ditch your body, ditch the curve, taking off straight like a rocket, boom. You hit your ride on your aura, your 7 chakras. Brought to where it's not weird. Wearing an ankh is not awkward nor insecure neither. It's sure and it's proper. Being black, as a matter of fact, matters that's black aren't dark in the ethers. Facts. I say this for the so-called black Negro. To the good girls that like bad boys 2 and 3. To all the children all across the land. Take it from me. Your parents are your anchors and they are wise. And they can motivate you to get jiggy at times you didn't think you could. The end. And then I said, psych. I said one time is all time. No time. Hold on. Cause I ain't thinking about this in a long time. But I did say I want to catch the beat. It's like one little, okay. One time is all time. No such as small, large, short, long time. It's intricate.
I was in it recorded.
Yep.
That's good.
So, you know what I mean?
And that's 150.
And the youngest can start actually doing their own little thing.
Yeah, because they want to.
See?
They want to do their own.
Then they got a selfie thing to it. How many Jones be having a selfie?
So I got a digital camera. So Timu took all this money from me, but they sent me all this mad stuff. So now I got, oh, you only see my man? Hold up.
in the world?
I got digital printer, and I got oh my God, Jimmy sent me so much.
So then that's part of the. You got the production popping too.
I got everything, yo.
Yes, yes.
We about to do it. These babies better come eat the way.
Mango cheesecake.
What is this from the future?
It's actually decent battery. You might be able to
What?
So when they first started these burgers,
Infinite is an improv, and the book of life is the medicine, the color, full, love emerald tablets, the scriptures, lack of evidence, so double negatives make positives evident, everything relevant is not irrelevant. With this gift, you should rap accordingly and say yes, sir. That's all you need to do to support me and grow some.
Alright, so this is the first time we're opening it up, and I'm just going to take a
My name is Ilza Wills, and I'm out in the meanwhile.
Did they even take a picture? What's going on? What do you do? Is that a picture? No media store. Alright, so could you gotta take the picture? Alright, I'll be back.